What is going on, Coaster Crew fans? We are here at Islands of Adventure at Universal Orlando Resort, giving you guys another update on the Velocicoaster, and we have some important news to share because there is a train on the track. It's just kind of sitting there. I don't know if they're doing some kind of pull through or what's going on, but it is some sort of train. I don't know if it's the train or a piece of the train that's going to be on the actual ride, but nonetheless, it's on the tracks. It's covered, but on the tracks. So let's go try and make our way over to the comic book section and give you guys a better look. Well, apparently this bridge was opened over the Labor Day holiday weekend, but today it's closed. Pretty sad because I wanted to take a look at what the coaster looked like as you were walking through it, but hopefully soon this will be open up and we can take a walk through. Wow, I cannot believe how much work has been done on this in just the last couple weeks. I believe this is going to be the station. We're going to be coming in or going in there. There's lots of raptor paddock walls going up. There's lots of rock work going up, and I cannot believe the fly-throughs on these are going to be amazing. Going in and out of all the rock formations. Going to be a lot of head choppers, that's for sure. Alright, as we take a closer look, we will see that there's a crane attached to the train. So they're conducting an actual pull-through to make sure that the ride is safe in all areas, including flybys and any areas where it might get closer to the structure. As you can see, there's a piece of equipment on the front there that does make sure that it's pretty much more than an arm's length. So if you were to reach your hand out to either side, you will not hit any support structure or anything else during your journey through the trip. So
I love it. I hate my ass. I don't really like it, but I can something the world do.
All right, guys. Well, that's all we have for you guys today. We'll keep checking back as usual, giving you guys updates on the Velocicoaster here at Islands of Adventure. In the meantime, if you love this video, give it a like for us, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for our channel, and of course hit that bell for future notifications for future videos, and like us on all our social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all at Coaster Crew. And we'll see you guys real soon.